Easy registration. Samsung account is all you need to start VXT CMS. Just create Samsung account to immediately activate all CMS features for free. Here's a quick guide of VXT to join the membership easily. Go to samsungvx.com, click Sign In, and then log in with your Samsung account. If it's your first time, please agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and provide the details of your business to access services specifically tailored to you. Then, click Save to go to home screen of VXT CMS. Now you are ready to use variety of features VXT CMS offers. How easy is that? Just by simply joining like this, you can use VXT CMS for free without paying extra.